And every book that she's written has transformed my life in some way. This new one, Enforcing You, I'm already using in my counseling room with people, helping them empower themselves.
It is all about kind of your God design and how to take the principles that are in the Bible and apply that to your life.
It can really change the way that you think. It changes the way that you think about yourself. It changes the way that you think about others, about situations.
And I'll call them big T truths that we know that are true about ourselves here, but we don't always remember them.
There's a reason every person's here. And this book begins to help understand why we're here, to enforce what we were created to do.
So a lot of execution. There's a lot of books out there that talk about what you should be, but really doesn't detail on how to actually achieve it. And this book hits all of those notes.
Ultimately, she takes the word and puts it into this one place where I can declare that over myself, and it is the Word of God.
I like to call them truffles from heaven. They're these sweet, impactful, just nuggets of wisdom that they just speak to you, and that you want to savor them. You want to share them with your friends, and this book is full of them.
Instead of just going through the day, get up, go to work, go to bed, get up, go to work, go to bed. There's more to life than that. And with this book, it's incredible. It's transforming lives. It's transforming my life, my wife's life, and we just want to share it with everybody.
The reason why I wrote this book is because for years as I've been counseling and coaching people, I have found that the same thing comes up over and over again, and that is a frustration to see the potential and hear about the potential of who we could be and should be, but not knowing how to get there. And so I wanted to really capture a lot of the skills that I give a lot of people, along with the biblical truths behind it. This book is really written for the person who knows there could be something more, that they could be living life more fully, and doesn't really know how to get there. Maybe they're trapped in the same type of thinking, they're trapped in the same type of behaviors, and they know that they can change and they want to change, they just don't know how to make that happen. It's a universal topic in that it applies to you as a human, your character, your design. It's not specifically to talking about your seasons or discipleship or relationships, but rather it's just more universal. So really anybody could pick it up. We've had lots of people pick it up and have said, man, this book is applicable to anybody at any time.